Hi, welcome to my Nursing 128, which is medical terminology class. I'm very excited for you to start your journey into the new language that you're going to be learning, which gives you the foundation for the medical world, basically. If you're going to be in any type of profession that deals with any kind of medical terminology, this is a great place to start. So, welcome. A little bit about me. My name is Angela Bavaro Ricci. That's long and ridiculous. So I go by AJ is a first name, and I am because my name's spelled with a J, and I go by Barici. All my students call me Barici. My kids came up with it. It merges my two last names. So Bavaro Ricci, and just shorten it by calling me Barici. I am from the Coachella Valley. I grew up in Palm Springs, went to Palm Springs High School. I'm proud and Indian. And I have always been a lover of the desert. And I hope that, if you're not familiar with the desert, that you see all the beauty that's around our mountains. I attended Palo Verde College where I became a nurse back in 2005. So I'm super excited to be part of the staff now. And it's a great community there in Blythe. I'm at the college. And I am just very excited for the future and being a part of the nursing department now as an instructor. So I will share more. I have two kids, a husband, and I commute to Blythe from the Coachella Valley. So it's not far at all, and I enjoy the drive. I love the desert. So again, welcome to Medical Terminology, and I will see you soon.